Stainless steel. Trusted and reliable. Winco products range from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies. Winco products are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. Good quality product. Winco has been a trusted and reliable brand in professional kitchens for over 20 years. Our commercial lines of products, ranging from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies, are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. While our products are made to meet the high demands of a restaurant kitchen, we are excited to now make them available for the serious home chef. Top reviews from the United States. How did I survive without this? Wow, this little tool made hulling strawberries a breeze, way better than my other huller made for strawberries. With tomatoes it depends on the ripeness. Ripe tomatoes are a breeze, green or yellowed near the core are a little harder, but with a little effort the tool works. I had to puncture the tomato around the core, then the swooping motion worked. Think of using a melon balling tool, which by the way this would also be good for making tiny balls. I'm very happy with it, but it's like anything else, apply too much pressure and it may bend. Still, it's worth the money. A huge time saver and less waste in my opinion.